First question, y equal 5x to the power of 2 minus 3x plus 7. Find the value of dy by dx when x equal 1. In this question, we have to find the first derivative, and then we have to find the value of the first derivative at x equal 1. Here this question is the same as if he said find the gradient at x equal 1. So if he said find dy by dx when x equal 1, it's the same if he said find the gradient of the curve at x equal 1. It's the same solution and the same meaning. Here, as we said before, the fundamental rule of differentiation: multiply by the power, subtract 1 from the power. But in case y is the variable, y is the subject, x is the variable, we don't have root, denominator or brackets. Here this expression in the form, so we can find the differentiation direct. It will be 10x minus 3. So we will put the value of x in its place. It will be 10 multiply 1 minus 3, so it will be 7. So this is the gradient of this curve at x equal 1, or the value of dy by dx at x equal 1. The next question, y equal x to the power of 3 plus 4x power 2 plus 2 when x equal negative 2. Show that the value of dy by dx is negative 4. This question is the same as the last question, but in the last question he said find the value, so we'll do the solution or do the steps and find the solution, and we won't know exactly the solution is correct or false. But here it's the same question, the same idea and the same steps, but here before solving we know that the answer we have to get is negative 4. In the last question we solved and we got dy by dx at x equal 1 is 7. Here we will find dy by dx at x equal 2, but before solving we know that dy by dx will be negative 4. So if we got the answer negative 4, we can say that we are correct. Not negative 4, there is a mistake and we have to revise. In the question 1 we got the answer 7, but we are not sure exactly it's 7 or not. So here dy by dx equal, here no root, no denominator, no bracket, it will be 3x to the power of 2 plus 8x, and the last part equals 0. So the value of dy by dx at x equal negative 2, 3 multiply negative 2 power 2 plus 8 multiply negative 2, here it will be 12 minus 16 equal negative 4. We solved and find the answer, it's negative 4, and it's the same as it's written in the question. So this is the difference between the question find the value or show that. Show that we know before solving the final answer. Find the value, we don't know exactly what is the final answer of the question. Next question, y equal 4x to the power of 2 plus px, where p is constant. Find the value, or the value of dy by dx when x equal 3 is 5 times the value of dy by dx when x equal negative 1. So first we have to find dy by dx, and we'll put x equal 3 one time and put x negative 1 in the other time. The first expression equal 5 multiply the second expression. We'll see how to find it. But first we have to find dy by dx. It will be 8x plus p. We said the differentiation of any term with x power 1, just remove x, the remainder is the answer. So the differentiation of this part is plus p. Don't forget this point. So dy by dx at x equal 3 equal what? Dy by dx at x equal negative 1 equal what? Here it's 8 multiply 3 plus p equal 24 plus p. The first part. The second part, 8 multiply negative 1 plus p, so it will be equal negative 8 plus p. Here he said the first expression equal 5 times the second expression. So we write this information. 24 plus p equal 5 multiply negative 8 plus p. It's linear equation, we can simply solve. 24 plus p, and the other side expand the bracket, negative 40 plus 5p. We'll move p in this side as negative p and negative 40 in this side as plus 40. So 4p equal 64. Divide by 4, divide by 4, p equal 16. So this is the value of p. Next question. Y equal 3x to the power of 4 plus 8x over 2x. Work out the possible values of x when dy by dx equal 882. As you can see here that he gives the value of dy by dx and we want to find the value of x, not the inverse. We used in last questions to get the value of x and we will calculate the value of dy by dx. Here he did the inverse. He gives the value of dy by dx and he wants to find the values of x. Steps will be the same. We will find dy by dx and put the value in its place. The difference will be where we will put the value, in the place of x or in the place of dy by dx. So here we want to differentiate, but first we have to simplify this expression. We have denominator. Any expression in this form, we will distribute numerator over denominator. If we have numerator, some parts added or subtracted with only one denominator, we can distribute numerator over denominator. So it will be y equal 3x to the power of 4 over 2x plus 8x over 2x. Then y equal 3 over 2 x to the power of 3 plus 4. This is the expression in which we will differentiate. So dy by dx equal 9 over 2x power 2, and this part, its differentiation equal 0. This value will be put in the place of dy by dx. So 882 equal 9 over 2 x to the power of 2. In this step we will solve the equation. After putting the value of dy by dx will form equation. We have to solve according to its type, linear or quadratic. Simply here we will divide by 9 over 2, divide by 9 over 2, cancel, x to the power of 2 equal 196. To get the value of x, take square root for both sides, but don't forget positive or negative. X equal positive or negative 14. So possible values of x if dy by dx equal 882 are positive 14 and negative 14.